Hello and welcome to Learn English Online with Isla. In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to use the present simple tense in English. So, when do we use the present simple? Okay, so we use the present simple to describe actions we do regularly. So maybe a habit or something that we do repeatedly. For example, I swim every Saturday. I clean my teeth every day. These are things that we do regularly over and over again. We also use it to describe something that is true. The sky is blue. The weather is cold in winter. We just use it to describe emotion. For example, I feel happy. I am sad. And we also use it to instruct. So, close the window. Answer the phone. Shut the door. So this is what the present simple looks like. I put it here in a verb table. So we have the subject I, the verb play, and the object football. So this is the simple form of the verb. I play football. I like chocolate. I read books. So this suggests that I do these things all of the time, every day, or as part of my routine. Okay, so let's have a look at them again. Often we use these sentence structures with a time to show they are a regular event. So we would say, I play football on Saturday. I read books at bedtime, meaning every Saturday, every bedtime. One thing to note when we're using the present simple tense is the third person S. And this is something that lots of people, when they're learning English, forget. So when we're using the third person, the pronouns she, he, and it, we need to add an S to the end of our simple form of the verb. So she plays football, not she play football. She plays football. He likes chocolate. She reads books. It needs water. So you can see that when we're using the third person, we are adding an S to the verb to make it correct. Okay, so let's look at a couple more examples. When using I or they, we can use the simple form of the verb. I play football. They play football. But when we're using the third person, he, she, it, we're adding the S. So he reads books. She reads books. It reads books. Okay, so let's have another look. Now we're looking at the present simple verb to be. And the verb to be is an irregular verb, which means it changes. So we need to learn this one separately and try and remember how it is formed. So when we're using I, it's I am 37. He or she or it, the verb changes to is. He is Irish. She is Irish. It is Irish. And when we change the subject to they, it's are. They are helpful. So you can see that the verb to be for I is am, for he, she, and it is, and they is are. So the verb to be changes. We need to remember this and practice this when we're learning English. Okay, so next steps. How can you make yourself remember this and practice it and get it perfect? So first thing you can do is watch this video again. So stop this, watch it again, pause it when you get to a place, and then maybe do some writing in between. Also take notes. So you could write your own rules down. You could write your own verb tables down. You could also write some sentences using the present simple. So just give yourself some examples next to your notes or whilst you're watching the video. You could say some sentences using the present simple. Find a friend, tell them what you've learned, and say some sentences using the present simple. And then lastly, test your knowledge by completing some exercises or a quiz. I've put some useful links at the bottom of below this video that you can click on to practice further. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was useful for you. Please comment below, like and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you.